Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah, kamusta ang mga air signs natin dyan ngayon? So, anong meron sa inyo ngayon, no? Current or present situation ng mga air signs right now, no? So, let's check anong current situation ng mga air signs, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, let's see. Universe, Holy Spirit, no? Kamusta ang ating mga air signs? Ngayon, no? Ang inyong current situation, no? So, let's see. Universe, please. For the air signs, please. Anong meron sa mga air signs natin ngayon, no? May isang cards na. So, kuha pa tayo, no? Kuha muna tayo ng mga cards nyo, mga air signs, no? Before tayo mag-read ng inyong cards. So, you have 8 of Wands na, no? So, what else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng cards for you. Air signs, so ito na yung unang cards nyo. So, what else, please? For the air signs, what else? So, you also have 8 of Swords, no? So, kuha pa tayo. What else, please? For the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, sa kanilang current situation right now, please. So, you have Ace of... ang dami pala lumabas nito, no? Kala ko isa lang. So, yeah, ayan na lang nga. So, ang dami palang lumabas para sa mga air signs, no? Akala ko isang cards lang yung bumaba. So, tignan natin. You have 8 of Wands, 8 of Swords, the Magician in reverse, 10 of Swords in reverse also, and Ace of Wands, no? So, tignan natin to, mga air signs natin dyan, no? Current situation ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, 8 of Wands. So, yeah, no? For some of you, air signs, no? So, nakikita ko dito sa inyo ay merong movement, no? Something like that, no? So, merong movement for some of you, air signs, dahil with the 10 of Swords in reverse and, wait lang with the 10 of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Wands, no? For me, ang mga air signs is meron kayong natapos na isang sitwasyon, no? May natapos na isang sitwasyon, no? May na-overcome kayong isang sitwasyon, isang situation which is napakahirap, no? Napaka-painful, no? For some of you, air signs, no? With this 8 of Swords and the Magician, no? So, yan, no? Meron kayong na-overcome dito, no? Maybe is, situation before na na-trap kayo, no? And then someone, na-trap kayo sa isang sitwasyon before wherein is someone, no, is, no, something na kinokontrol kayo, but then, naka-reverse na rin si Magician, no? So, na-overcome nyo itong sitwasyon na to, no, na wherein you are being trapped, no, and then being controlled by someone, no? So, yun, no? So, merong movement na rito with the 8 of Wands, and you also, air signs, no, you have 88, no, angel number din ito, no, for some of you. So, pwede nyo rin yung i-search, no, for some of you sa Google, no, maybe there is a message for you, no. So, tignan nyo na lang kung ano yung mas makaka-resonate sa inyo doon kasi maraming meaning din yan, no. So, search nyo lang 88, no. So, yun nga, no. With this Magician din, no, kung makikita mo, meron siyang infinity sign dito, but then naka-reverse na kasi ito, no? So, meron talagang natapos dito na isang sitwasyon na paulit-ulit, or maybe ay may ma-overcome na kayo, may matatapos ng sitwasyon, no? Na paulit-ulit sa inyo mga air signs. So, maganda yun, no? So, because you have this 10 of swords in reverse, no? So, meron na nga talagang matatapos or may nag-end na paulit-ulit na cycle. And you are going through because you have this movement with the 8 of wands, no? So, you are going towards your new beginning, no? So, for some of you ay ready na kayo towards the new beginning or new phase of your life, no? So, new cycle, no? Sa inyo, no? For some of you, air sign. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, maganda, no? Meron ng matatapos na mga problema, pwede rin, no? May matatapos na mga kung ano man itong mga nagpapahirap sa inyo, mga air signs, no? So, at of course, kapag may matatapos, may magsisimulang panibagong simula. Binanigtad lang niya. Hindi, kumbaga meron talaga, once na may nag-end, syempre may new beginning, right? No? So kung ito, parang meron kayong bagong sisimulan na mas maganda dun sa nagtapos, right? No? So hindi naman ibibigay or itatapusin ni universe ang isang bagay or isang sitwasyon sa buhay natin kung walang dapat pumalit, no? Something like that kasi meron mas magandang darating sa buhay natin, no? So you have this 8 of wands, so new beginning, no? Sa mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So tignan pa natin ano pang meron, no? For the air signs, no? So tignan pa natin, universe, please, para sa mga air signs, no? Current situation, no? So ito na nga, no? So may matatapos na, no, sa inyong current situation right now, no? Mga nagpapahirap, mga nagpapabigat, problema man yan, sitwasyon man yan, sa family, business, or job man yan, right? No? So may matatapos na, may mag-e-end na sitwasyon, may ma-overcome na rin kayo. Or kung relationship man ito, may matatapos na isang napakahirap na cycle within your relationship na paulit-ulit lang, no? At mag-e-end na yung nagpapahirap sa inyo, no? Right? So, tignan pa natin what else sa current situation ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, may isa nang bumabang card. So, dalawa na. So, kuha pa tayo ng mga cards natin for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Please, more cards, no? Para sa sitwasyon, current situation ng ating mga air signs, no? So, tignan na nga lang muna natin ano yung mga itong bumaba na to. You have 2 cards na bumabas. Wait lang, kunin lang natin. So, maganda naman to, no? May magsisimula ng so, you have this 5 of cups. And, so, ginanon ko kasi. So, but then, dapat ganyan, no? So, yan, no? May mga nangihinayang for some of you, no? So, may panghihinayang din kayo or may kalungkutan din kayong nararamdaman, no? Kasi alam nyo nang may mag-e-end, no? Something like that, no? So, for some of you, because malakas din naman kasi ang intuition ng for some air signs, no? At alam nyo na to, no? May nararamdaman na rin kayo na malapit nang may mag-end, no? Something like that. At nanghihinayang ang iba sa inyo, no? May kalungkutan din kayong nararamdaman because of that, no? And with this King of Cups, no? So, yeah, for some of you, I think merong paparating, no? Na someone, no? Sabi na nga, yeah, for some of you, may paparating na someone, no? I don't know. I think may distansya tong tao na to, no? Tawid dagat for some of you, no? Maybe, pwede rin sabihin natin, pwedeng person nyo rin ito for some of you, kung ang person nyo ay tawid dagat, nasa ibang bansa or nasa ibang lugar wherein kailangan tumawid ng dagat, no? Something like that, no? Sasakay ng barko, or ang person nyo ay working in a cruise, in a ship, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano man mga job related sa mga ganyan, no? So, yeah, no? Maybe, paparating, may uuwi, no? Something like that, no? From the far away na lugar, no? kung sino man ito, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam, mga air signs, no? Whoever is this na paparating sa inyo, no? Kung person nyo man ito is, yun nga, no? Siyempre, alam nyo naman na pauwi na rin to. But then, if not, maybe some new person is coming, no? For some of you, mga air signs, no? Yan, no? For some of you, no? Merong paparating na new love with this King of Cups, no? For some of you, I think, no? May paparating talaga, which is the King of Cups, King or Queen, no? No gender naman tayo dito, mga air signs, no? So, someone new is coming, no? For you, no? King of Cups, no? So, this is, kumbaga this person is may pagmamahal sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, tignan pa natin, ano pa yan, no? Kung anong sitwasyon meron dyan sa current situation nyo ito, no? So, current meaning is malapit na rin to, no? Current is pwedeng ngayon, kinabukasan, no? Basta, hindi na siya yung matagal, no? Kumbaga, anytime soon, no? This one will go towards you, no, mga air signs, no. So, take what's resonate lang naman, no. So, yeah. So, tignan pa natin for you, mga air signs. What else? Current situation ng mga air signs right now, universe, please. What else? Current situation for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. What else, please? Para sa present situation ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. Universe, please. So may nag-flip. Yan, no, home, foundation. So, yan, no, meron talagang, for some of you, merong uuwi talaga from dun sa malayong lugar, no, galing sa malayong lugar, no, for some of you, maybe ay family member nyo ito, no, may uuwi talaga, no, for some of you, air signs. And what else? Yan, no, for some of you. And then, what else? Let's see pa, no? So, tignan natin. Medyo matipid tong kung sino man ito, no? So, check natin, sino ba itong uuwi na ito? Universe, no? So, sino po ba itong paparating na malapit nang dumating para sa mga air signs natin? May uuwi, no? For some of you, air signs. For this present moment for you, no? Current situation, I mean, no? So, wala nang rito, no? Message. Kuha tayo dito sa isang deck. So, let's see. Home foundation so meaning talaga, whoever that person na pauwi or darating is may kinalaman sa bahay, no? For some of you with the home foundation here, maybe this person is a family member of yours, no? Air signs, no? Or yun nga, if this person is someone new, no? In regards with the relationship, someone new is coming, no? So, ang gusto niya ay mag-build na ng long-term commitment, no? For some of you, air signs, no? So, let's see what else para sa mga air signs natin, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Please, universe, what else para sa mga air signs natin ngayon? No? Ano pang meron? Current situation ng mga air signs right now, please. What else para sa ating mga air signs, please? Universe, please. Ano pang meron? So, meron ng isang card. So, tingnan na nga natin yan. Ano tong card na to? So, you have, you have this Two of Cups, no? In reverse, no? So, yeah. This is partnership, no? So maybe for some of you, no, I think kasi naka-reverse, no? So ito yung inalisan nyo, no, from the past, no? Partnership, relationship with someone else before, no? Ito yung inalisan nyo, or ito yung mag-e-end na for some of you, no? Because naka-reverse, no? So, meaning, with this the home foundation, for some of you lang, and that two of cups in reverse, this person is someone connected, no? Whoever that person na mag-e-end na ang inyong relationship is someone na you have shared, no? Home with maybe a year, couple of years, something like that. Matagal rin kayong nagkaroon ng relationship, partnership, whatever, no? With the home foundation. Kumbaga, nagkaroon na kayo ng foundation na talagang solid na eh. But then, yun nga ay hindi pa rin pala para sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? Kasi ay nag-end, no? For some of you. At nanghihinayang ka doon with the 5 of cups. But then, wala na tayong magagawa because it was meant to happen, right? Because hindi na talaga maayos, no? With the 8 of swords, no? Na-trap kayo sa sitwasyon na yun before. So, ngayon ay makakawala na ang for some of you air signs, no? So may panghihinayang maybe because mahal niyo yung tao, nanghihinayang kayo dun sa foundation na binild nyo, no, for so long, no, na hindi nyo akalain ay yun nga ay hindi pa pala sapat kung ano man yung mga na-build nyo, na buo nyong relasyon, no, for some of you, no. So hindi pa pala sapat yun because with the 10 of swords in reverse, no, nag-reverse lang siya, but then upright yan, of course. Before, sa past is nagbigay lang ng matinding pain, no, sa inyo mga air signs, no. So, let's see what else for the air signs, please. What else? Para sa mga air signs natin, please, universe, please, what else? Para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, tapusin ko lang to, no? So, tingnan mo, isa nang nag-flip, no? So, what else, please? Tingnan pa natin, what else? Ano pang meron ng air signs? So, tingnan natin to. You have this 8 of Wands, no? In reverse again, and then 5 of Cups in reverse. And then, hindi pala kasali ito pala. Puro reverse, no? So, the Hierophant in reverse, no? So, yan, no? For me, ano ba to, no? But then, you have this 8 of Wands, no? So, lumabas, no? 8 of Wands sa unang deck nyo, mga air signs. 8 of Wands, 8 of Wands. And then 8 of Swords, no? So, you have 888, no? Angel number again for you. So, i-search nyo, no? 8888, no? For some of you, air sign. Also, you have this 5 of Cups and also 5 of Cups here, no? So, 5, no? For some of you naman, no? So, but then, yeah, 8 of Wands in reverse, no? So, right now, maybe ito ay, di ba sabi ko nga ay mangyayari pa lang to, na-overcome nyo na, no? Ma-overcome nyo na ito, no? But then, with this current situation of you, no, mga air sign is because lumabas ulit tong 8 of Wands but in reverse na, and then 5 of Cups in reverse also, and then the Hierophant in reverse also, no? So, I think someone is, I don't know, no, someone for me, yan, no, for me, air signs, no, parang ang nakikita ko rito ay may nagpipigil, no, nag-aalangan pa rin kayo, no, there is, yun nga, no, kasi nga, meron talagang blockage, no? Something like that. With the Hierophant in reverse, no? Kung makikita mo ito, kung naka-upright, no? For some of you ay ano kayo, no? Malakas ang faith nyo kay God, no? But then, naka-reverse kasi siyang lumabas. So, maybe, yeah, merong someone around you who is, ano, no? Parang being a blockage, no? May nagbablock, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe, kung ano man, whatever man yung mga beliefs nyo, ay may someone na kontra, no? Parang ganun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, parang ayaw niyang ikaw ay umalis, something like that, no? So, with the 5 of Cups in reverse also, no? So, for me, no? Parang may nagpipigil, no? Someone is blocking you, or sign, no? Or something is blocking you regarding also with your beliefs, no? Kung ano man yung mga pinaniniwalaan nyo spiritually, no? So, yeah. Maybe may kinalaman itong inyong sitwasyon, no? Something like that in your beliefs, no? Or meron kayong pagkakaiba, no? Meron that person, because itong kung sino man yung person nyo from na parang ito nga ay magkakaroon na ng ending is someone na hindi talaga kayo nagkakasundo, no? Lagi kayong nagka-clash, no? Something like that, no? So, kasi lahat naka-reverse, no? So, kung alimbawa for me, because ito kasi kanina ay naka-upright, no? Right? No? So, talagang with these 2 of Cups in reverse also, no? Sabi ko nga, this is a partnership, relationship, no? Na something mag-end. Or, kaya nga you are, kasi this is a current situation, right? So, kaya nga you are feeling trapped, no? Because, hindi kayo nagkakasundo ng tao na ito, no? In the reverse, no? So, talagang hindi kayo na, kumbaga parang ikaw, earth sign, or take what's resonate, pwedeng person mo rin ito, no? Vice versa, no? Kumbaga ay, yun nga, no? May isa sa inyo na hindi na lang pinapansin, no? So, but then lagi kayo talagang nagtatalo, hindi nagkakasundo, no? Something like that, no? So, yung mga beliefs nyo sa isa't isa, hindi kayo parehas, no? Kung ano man yun, basta kung ano man yung mga pinapaniniwalaan nyo, ano man itong yung everyday, parang ganun everyday is like a battle for you, air sign, no? Palaging may pagtatalo rito sa nakikita ko, hindi talaga kayo nagkakasundo, but then right now in the current situation is yun nga ay may isa na hindi na lang muna pinapansin yung sitwasyon, parang nakapokus na lang muna sa new beginning, no? Kung anong man itong mga sinisimulan nyo, earth sign, maybe ikaw to na may sinisimulan, no? So, parang binabali wala mo muna itong mga other situation na other issues right here, no? With your, kung sino man itong hindi kayo nagkakasundo na tao na ito, no? So, parang ayun din ang isang nakikita ko na senaryo dito na no? Hindi nyo na lang pinapansin, no? Dahil nakapokus na lang muna kayo sa inyong new beginning, no? Sa may mga bago kayong sinisimulan, no? So, medyo naiinis kayo, no? Nagkakainisan kayo dahil hindi kayo nagkakasundo talaga, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see, tignan pa natin ano pa bang meron, no? So, tignan natin ano bang nararamdaman nitong person mo na ito, no? Sino ba ito, no? So, etong hindi kayo nagkakasundo na ito, no? So, tignan natin. Universe, please. Sino ba itong person? Ano bang mga gustong sabihin or hindi masabi ng person na ito? So, I will wait for you, for a sign from you, no? For some of, so tignan na. I will wait for a sign from you. So, mamaya na yan. Kuha pa tayo. What else? I feel you even though we are apart. So, kuha pa tayo. So, ano ba ito? It was my fault, but I blamed you. And then, what else? Kuha pa tayo. Kuha pa tayo ng isang card for the air sign. So, meron nang lumabas. So, ano ito? It's time for me to heal now, no? So, I think this one is, I will wait for a sign from you and I feel you even though we're apart. So, maybe this one ay may kinalaman dito sa isang deck nyo, no? Na sabi ko ay there is someone from afar, no? Na mauuwi, no? For some of you, my homecoming, or someone new, a love interest, no? Someone new love interest. Take what's resonate, no? So, I think this person is kilala nyo na rin, no? But then, yeah, malayo kayo sa isa't isa, no? So, kayo lang din nakakalam sino itong person na ito, no? So, maybe hindi kayo nag-uusap right now, no? Yeah, naghihintay lang siya ng sign from you or air sign, no? Maybe because you are still dealing with the person who are with who is with conflict with you, no, with this two of cups in reverse, no. So yeah, air sign, no, for some of you, no, there is someone from afar is waiting for you to end this relationship, this current situation or relationship you have, no. So yeah, or maybe hindi mo naman alam ito, no, na naghihintay lang itong tao na ito, no, na may mag-end sa relasyon mo dito sa iyong current situation or relationship, partnership, whatever you can call this, no. So, and then, meron ditong it's time, ito pala, it was my fault, but I blame you, no. So, maybe ito na yung tao na hindi kayo nagkakasundo, no. Palagi kayo nagsisisihan, no. Or even though na alam mo naman na siya yung may kasalanan, but then, ikaw pa rin yung sinisisi niya, no, air sign, no. So, binabaligtad na talaga yung sitwasyon, no. Hindi siya umaamin ng mga pagkakamali niya, no. Napakatigas ng ulo ng person na ito, no. So, lahat ng pagkakamali niya ay sa'yo niya ibinabato, no. Something like that, no. So, palaging perfect, no, for him, no, or her is siya ang perfect, ikaw ang may mali, no? Something like that, no? Kaya talagang hindi kayo nagkakasundo ng tao na yan. And then, it's time for me to heal now. So, maybe this is you, no? Air sign. You are healing. That's why hindi mo muna itong pinapansin tong tao, yung tao na ka-conflict mo right now in this current situation you had, no? You are in right now, no? So, because you want to heal, no? Because ayaw mo nang isipin lahat ng masasakit, no? Something like that, no? With the Magician in reverse, dito sa unang deck mo, maybe, ang nakikita ko na ngayon rito as ikaw ito, air sign, no? So, with the Magician in reverse, parang iniisip mo na lang, no, na lahat ng ito ay matapos na, no? For you, ay parang ini-envision mo na tapos na itong lahat. You are in your new beginning na, no? So, talagang hindi mo na pinapansin itong tao na to. But then, you are still dealing with this person right now, no? Because this is a current situation, no? So, right now is nandito ka pa sa ganitong sitwasyon, no? Air sign, no? But then, you are healing, no? So, yeah, you want to heal or you are healing right now, no? Air sign, no? Because you want to pursue the new beginning. And then, there is someone from afar, no, is waiting for you, no, mga air signs. So, take what's resonate lang for you, mga air signs. So yeah, tignan na nga natin, ano bang maganda. So, tignan natin anong, ano pa, no, what else, tignan pa natin dito, no, sa deck na to. Tignan pa natin kung may message for you dito, mga air signs. Tignan natin, current situation ng mga air signs dito. So, may isa nang tumalon, dalawa. So, tignan pa natin. So, dalawang cards. So, let's see what those cards are for you, air sign. So, you have this sea beacon fairy. So, ano to? Guidance. But where will it lead you, no? So, I think, and then the other one is dried flower fairy, sweet memories, no? So, yan, no? For some of you, earth sign, no? So, eto na lang yung parang pinangahawakan mo na lang, no? So, for some of you, sa iyong current situation, para hindi ka na lang maging negative, no? Kasi nga, you are pursuing your new beginning, no? So, maybe may ginagawa kang mga something new, no? Sa iyong buhay. And ayaw mo na ng negativity, no? So, ang iniisip mo na lang yung mga sweet memories mo with this ka-conflict mo na person, no? So, but then, pero wala ka na talagang pakialam. Kumbaga, ang iniisip mo na lang yung mga sweet memories, maybe, no? For some of you, para hindi na lang maging negative yung pag-iisip mo, no? Para makakonsentrate ka towards your new beginning, no? So, and then, but then you are thinking, no? Saan ka ba talaga papunta, no? For some of you, earth sign, no? Ito yung lagi mong naiisip. Kung with this new beginning, you're not still sure, no? Kung saan ka papunta, anong direction ka papunta, no? Guidance, no? You are being led, you are being guided, but then, hindi mo alam which way, no? For some of you, earth sign, no? So, you are pursuing your new beginning, but then you don't know where, or which way, no? For some of you, no? Bakit? Kasi, kung makikita mo dito, air sign, na dati ay meron na rin akong reading, no? I don't know kung sa air sign din yun, no? So, eto din yung lumabas, no? So, kung makikita mo kasi dito, air sign is, you have this light na, no? You have this light. Meron ka din dito sa iyong, kasi because you are a fairy here, no? Sa card na ito. Meron ka rin ditong light, no? Sa iyong pakpak, no? But then, because itong light sa ilikod mo ay hindi mo nakikita. Ito namang light na ito, itong ilaw mo ay nakababa pa, no? So, paano mo talaga makikita yung way? Ang mga air sign, because itaas mo, no? Nasa iyo na yung guidance, eh. Binigay na sa iyo yung guidance, kaso lang, nagbubulag-bulagan ka pa rin. Something like that, because you are still choosing to stay in the dark. Something like that. Binigyan ka na ng ilaw, eh, para maging daan mo, eh. Makita mo yung daan, but then, binaba mo pa rin siya, no? So, maybe, for some of you, earth sign, I think, that's why, kasi nga, sa inyong current situation, sabi ko nga, you are still dealing with that person na ka-conflict mo, eh, no? So, hindi ka pa totally nakakaalis sa person na iyon. But then, maybe because nga, dahil meron kayong pinagsamahan, meron kayong family, something like that, no? Kaya, medyo hindi mo agad mapagdesisyonan, no? May mahirap, no? But then, with this, no? So, nakikita ko naman dito, I think hindi naman to negative, no? For me. Yes, you have the guidance, no? Alam mo na rin kung saan ka papunta. But then, binaba mo lang talaga tong ilaw, no? Something like that, no? Kasi nga, hindi naman sa hindi ka ready, no? For sure. Because, ano ka na eh, ito ka na, kumbaga, ito yung house eh, no? For some of you, ito yung house. Lumabas ka na eh. But then, you are still looking back, you know? Nag-iisip ka, no? Kumbaga, parang, dahil lang hinayang ka nga, maybe, sa foundation na binild nyo ng person na iyon, even though na lagi kayo nagkakagalit, nagkakaaway, hindi nagkakasundo, and maybe because you have these kids, no? For some of you, maybe family mo ito, family kayo, may kids kayo. That's why you are considering some other things, no? That's why kumbaga, alam mo naman yung dapat mong gawin, binaba mo lang ito, alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, no? alam mo kung anong dapat mong gawin, alam mo kung anong saan at saan ka pupunta or sign eh. May idea ka na eh. Pero binaba mo lang siya. So maybe for some of you, you are deciding to stay for a while sa dark. No? You stay for a while dito sa conflict situation na ito. Maybe you want to still fix some things, no? For some of you, parang syempre ayaw mo namang umalis ng parang biglaan, no? Something like that, no? So, for some of you, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? For some of you, ayaw nyo lang ng parang biglaan kayong aalis, no? Parang gusto nyo is ayusin nyo rin muna, i-fix kung ano yung dapat i-fix. So, para kung eto na yung ending talaga is kalmado kayo parehas, no? So, maybe, maganda rin yung gano'n, no? So, for some of you, no? So, maganda rin yung kasi parang para hindi naman palaging galit kayo sa isa't isa, no? Kung sino man yung mga nakakahiwalayan natin, no? Lagi na lang galit sa isa't isa, no? Maybe, ito air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius is you are trying, no? Your best to fix things para, dahil alam mo naman talagang mag-e-end na to eh. But then, you want this to end calmly. Maybe you want friendship, no? Para din sa mga kids, if you have kids together, no? Para hindi conflict na lang lagi, no? You can end in the way na pwede kayong maging magkaibigan, no? Something like that, para mas maganda yung paghihiwalay nyo, no? So, maybe that's why you are still staying because you want to fix something before ending this situation, no? So, for some of you, no? So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin anong final advice or message for you or sign ni universe, no? In regards your current situation right now. So, tignan natin. Let's get one card for you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius for the message or advice, no, ni universe for you, no? So, yeah. You have the journey, no? So, eto na nga, no? Dahil you are pursuing your new beginning na talaga, no? Air sign, no? So, you have the journey, no? So, ang message sa'yo ni universe is, hindi ka naman kailangang magmadali, no? Because this journey, whatever it is I think is only for you, no? Mga air sign, no? So, take what's resonate kung sino lang din makaka-relate sa ganitong sitwasyon, no? Kung sino man itong merong ganitong current situation right now, no? So, with the journey, no? So, it takes time pa rin, no? So, for you, because sinasabi dito ni universe is itong journey na to ay para talaga sa'yo, no? So, you can take your time, no? If you want to fix something before going to your journey, then fix it, no? So, binibigyan ka pa rin ng time dito ni universe, no? For some of you. Or for some of you naman, sinasabi dito ni universe is itong journey mo na to ay magsisimula na or sinisimulan mo na nga ito dahil nga meron ka ng mga sinisimulan na mga goals mo, no? May mga ginagawa ka ng something new, no? Something new beginning, no? For some of you, may mga bago ka nang sinisimulan sa iyong buhay. That's why you want to focus muna dyan. At binabaliwala mo muna yung conflict sa paligid mo, no? For some of you, maybe may kinalaman itong new beginning na ito. Once na parang naging stable ka na rito, and then you have to end na, no? For some of you, no? Kung ano tong current situation that you are in right now, no? So, but then, this journey is, of course, is meant for you, Earth sign, no? Ito yung sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, no? So, you don't have to rush things, no? So, take your time because whatever happens, no? Whenever, whatever, this journey is still for you, no? Huwag kang mag-alala, no? Parang ito yung nasisense ko dito, air signs, no? So, yeah. So, may security rito na sinasabi sa'yo ni, but then, of course, alam mo naman din kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin dahil, for sure, lagi ka na namang nire-remind ni universe, ni God, no? Right? No? So, yeah. Kailangan mo na rin talagang kung ano yung dapat i-end, ay i-end mo na rin as soon as possible for you to be able to pursue, to start this new journey of your life, right? No? So yeah, that's it for you, Earth sign, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So I hope may naka-resonate sa inyo sa ating reading today. And yeah, wag lang kayong mawawalan ng faith, no, sa inyong sarili. And of course, faith kay God, 'di ba? Lagi ko naman 'tong sinasabi sa inyo na wag kayong mawawalan ng faith. Ayun ang pinaka-importante kasi once na nawalan tayo ng faith kay God and faith sa sarili natin, then the rest is wala na. Because kapag wala kang faith lalo na sa sarili mo, how can you do things? How can you pursue things? How can you make things beautifully kung ikaw sa sarili mo ay hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo dahil you don't have the courage, you don't have the faith na kaya mo tong gawin. Lagi kang panghihinaan ng loob. So, be optimistic lang mga air signs lagi, no? And, of course, sabi ko nga ay, maniwala kayo sa sarili nyo. Dahil si universe, si God, ay ang laki ng tiwala sa inyo. Right? And, they are giving you so much time, so much love, and guidance, support, whatever, di ba? Alam niyo yan sa sarili niyo, air sign. Lahat ng hinihingi nyo, palaging may kasagutan si universe sa inyo, right? Nararamdaman yan, synchronicities, signs, no? Nakakakita kayo niyan. That's why, dun pa lang makikita mo na super supportive ni God sa inyo, right? No? So, yeah. That's it for you, mga air signs ko dyan, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, air signs.